Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Philosophy to bring you guys a glass skin tutorial. So the glass skin effect is actually Korean based. If you guys heard of Korean beauty and all of those different trends that has now made it over to the United States. But the glass skin effect is actually your skin is so hydrated, so renewed, youthful, moisturized to where it gives the appearance of glass. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to get that effect today. I feel like my skin is so hydrated and just moisturized, and all three of the products that I used from Philosophy work together to create that super hydrated and youthful look to the skin. I used the Peeling Mousse Instant Glow Facial, and I used the Renewing Dew Concentrate, as well as the water cream. So you guys are going to see how all three of these products work together to create the glass skin effect. So if you guys want to see how to get this glass skin look, then just keep on watching. So we're going to start with the Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Peeling Mousse Instant Glow Facial. Now when you guys see this is going to be probably like one of the coolest facials ever because you can actually see it working. So this is a really easy to use 1 minute peeling mask. So the way you want to do it is apply a good size amount to your fingers, and you want to make sure that your skin is clean and dry. So I've already cleansed my skin beforehand and it's dry now. So I'm going to apply this, and this is going to virtually grab every piece of debris, dead skin that's causing dullness to the skin. So I'm applying it all over, and you can see like it starts out blue and then it's going to basically ball up, and that is the dead skin, the impurities, the debris, the leftover probably makeup, and it's going to work right into that glass skin effect. But it's just super cool and it's super quick. It's only 1 minute that you rub this around on your skin, so you literally can see the glow all over my skin from when we first started to now. Like the glow is just everywhere. I mean, of course I'm gonna rinse off all of the dead skin that it's got, but I mean, it's such a instant, you can see what happens. I mean, instant glow facial, so that's kind of in the name, but you truly can see it immediately after you do the products, like the glow everywhere. So it's a super nice product. I'm going to go ahead and rinse all this off, and then we'll move on to the next step of the glass skin effect. So the next product we're going to apply is the Renewed Hope in a Jar Renewing Dew Concentrate. So this product is formulated with Philosophy's Powerful Radiance Complex. It's a water-like serum, and what you're going to get with this is renewed skin, and it's going to give you that youthful glow. It also helps with smoothing the skin. It allows for your skin to become more hydrated, brighter, and smoother over time. So I'm going to apply this all over the skin, and this also is going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. And so I'm kind of pressing it into the skin after I work it all over, just to make sure that it really gets in there. So this stuff is the big dog of the glass skin tutorial. So this is the Renewed Hope in a Jar water cream. Now this right here is going to deliver 72 hours of hydration to deliver that super glowy glass skin like effect, and it's for all skin types, no matter if you have oily skin, dry skin, super dehydrated skin. Everybody can use this moisturizer. It's perfect for before makeup as well. An amazing way to finish off your skincare routine before you apply makeup. So I'm going to dip into the moisturizer and get probably like a dime size amount. Now this has a innovative airy texture to where it's going to improve the hydration levels by 86%. Like wow, and the feel of it is super nice. So to finish off this glass skin look, I'm going to kind of play up my eyebrows a little bit. So I'm going to apply a little bit of a eyebrow pencil. So now I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara, and what I mean by a little is I'm not going to apply like 2 layers. I'm just going to apply a really light first layer to make sure the lashes are coated on the top and bottom, and then finish off with a gloss. So this is the completed glass skin tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love how my skin feels and looks with these products. Like my skin feels hydrated, also looks like I had like 10 glasses of water. It just looks healthy. It looks like a healthy glow. Now the glass skin effects is actually like an 11-step routine, but Philosophy has made it to where you guys are able to get that same look with only 3 products. So if you guys want to check out any of the 3 products, I will have the links in the description box where you guys can check it out. And yeah, so thank you guys as always so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel as well as thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.